Hey friends, so I got a really cool special little package today. I told Kip I was going to open it with him, but I'm too excited and I'm going to open it now. He doesn't get off work for a little while. So some of you know and some of you don't. I was nominated for a really huge award for Scentsy.
This year, we recognize a group of consultants nominated by their peers for their contributions to our mission. These finalists represent more than 110,000 consultants worldwide. And they represent what it means to be Scentsy.
And each year we try to find a surprising and fun way to introduce them to you. That's probably what he forgot. And one that recognizes their amazing contribution to Scentsy.
This year it is our own peer nominated award, and people have to submit really kind letters on your behalf to Scentsy to get you nominated. And then every year they have a panel of finalists, and then they do choose someone who is the ultimate big kahuna, right? So this year, Becca Levi and Callie won the Shining Star Award. I literally had no idea what was going on. Like, I kind of knew, and then I didn't. And then I figured it out. Which is the biggest honor in our company. So just to be nominated for this award out of 130-some thousand consultants is mind-blowing. To even know that, it's just extremely humbling to know that of all the people that I know who deserve this award, to even be nominated for it and then be one of the finalists for the nomination is just, can't even wrap my head around it. Still not real.
Stay close. Congratulations.
Surprise!
Let's gather for a picture.
Awesome. Yes. You guys in the middle.
Yes. Let's get in the middle here. I think I might have to stand alone for your flowers.
Okay, are we looking right there?
Was that a surprise?
Right there. But you wipe your tears, wipe your tears.
Yeah, we can do that. Okay, let's do this. Hold that like there.
Oh, you're gonna have to hold it?
I think that could be fun. Someone doing it.
You guys have to go and contact.
So I just received, though, my nomination letters. I'm really nervous to open it. I probably won't read them out loud because it makes me a little nervous. But I am going to show you guys. I also got a trophy. I'm really excited to see it. So I'm going to open my letters, and then I'm going to open my trophy. That's really heavy. Okay, I'm really excited to do this. So before this year, last year I got a letter from that was submitted by a friend, so I did receive one in the mail. And then before that, my friend Dawn Schaefer had nominated me as well. So I never would have ever expected to have been a finalist in the nominations, knowing I had only really received a couple nominations in the last 7 years. So, and that's like 2 people or so. So to receive enough nominations to actually be a finalist all in 1 year was just extremely unexpected. So I'm excited to see how many and who, and so I'm just kind of really excited to see what happened here. So y'all, this is cool. So, oh, thank you, Heidi Norval. Those are their real signatures, fam. Just got to brag. I got their real signatures. It says, "We are so proud of you. Congratulations on being one of our 2018 Shining Star finalists. We hope that when you look at your trophy, you are reminded of our appreciation for all you do and stand for. We are truly grateful for the example you set for your team, other leaders, and the entire Scentsy family." Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Aww. It's really, okay, these aren't anonymous letters, so thank you. It's so cute. It's really cool. Aww. Not gonna, oh, look at my shirt today. Hello. Okay, so I'm not gonna read these, but I am gonna be sending some PMs to some people because this is really, really special, and I'm really excited to, I'm excited to read these. You guys know I don't like being emotional, and I cried on stage already in front of a million bajillion people. So I'm gonna save the tears. Yeah, I'm really excited. So, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I'm just really excited. I don't believe they send all of them. So if I don't send you a message, I apologize. Because I know that this is a lot of sorting for them, so I need to make sure that, so I know a few of you who messaged me after the nomination and said, "Hey, I sent one in for you. I'm really excited. It made a difference." And I don't actually see it here. Some of you even texted me the letters that you sent in, so, or like forwarded me the emails and things like that, because you're really adorable and I love all of you. Some of them aren't here, so I'm really happy that you did send those to me, because I'm going to print them and put them in my collection. So, but some of these names are very, very exciting to see that this person just feels that way about me. Because it's really kind of hilarious seeing letters from people that's how I feel about them. So, and one of these people I've nominated before, so to know that it's mutual is a very humbling, amazing honor. So I am excited to go read those later. Probably going to put on some Grey's Anatomy and some jammies and just snuggle in and absorb. Because you know what? I absolutely love everything about my job. Everything about it. Everything, honestly. It is probably one of the coolest industries to be in, where you get to serve others all day and tirelessly, and then because of your willingness to give back and serve, you accomplish some pretty cool, sorry, I keep swiping up notifications. You get to experience some really cool things in your own life as just kind of a byproduct of generosity and giving more than you take to others. And Scentsy has helped me really understand the value in just service and putting yourself out there and giving with no expectation of any return, which oftentimes can be a very thankless job. And not because people forget to thank you for things, but because, I don't know, I mean, it's just, I mean, I'm sure there's times where someone's done things for you and you didn't really say thank you, or it's not, I don't know. And it's not thankless in a bad way. It's just, you get so used to giving and giving and giving that it's just a habit, or you get used to just working one way and it just becomes part of you and part of just what you do. And so it's really funny when something does come along and stop you, hold you by the shoulders and shake you and say you matter. And I can only pray that everybody has a moment in their businesses, whether you were Scentsy, direct sales of any sort, where somebody takes you by the shoulders and shakes you and said, "We've noticed and you matter." Because this is just, never in my life of the 7 years that I've watched people called up to that stage for this award did I ever picture myself being up there. And then the honor alone that it is that I was nominated the year that Becca Levi, one of the most important people in my life, won, it was insane. Like when I knew that they had not said the final, like the person who won was not called that first night. And so I knew that because of that, I was like, if it's not Becca Levi, something is wrong. It has to be her. And so I just knew deep in my soul that it just had to be her. And so it was just a really cool experience to know that in the same year that someone that important to me wins the whole thing, that others felt like I also had deserved to do that. And it's just, of all years to have been nominated, it's a true honor to have been nominated the year she won, because I feel like that's just something huge and beautiful I get to claim now, that, you know, Becca Levi, like my person, somebody who's just, she is huge to me. It's just a beautiful thing. And I love my job because I get to form relationships of just awe with others. And they're not relationships where I feel like I am down here and I have to look at them shiny and could never reach them. Somebody just turned some music on in my house. We get to actually co-work with these people. We get to go alongside them. We get to talk to them. We get to form relationships with them and mentorships. And it's just a really cool experience. So trophy time. All right. I'm so excited about the glass trophy. It's really fun because there's like, what? Like 0.00001% of the company that gets to say that they have one of these. And it's not something you can earn. You can't earn this. So there's no way to even be like, I want one of those. Like it's just so crazy because you can't earn this. So I'm really excited to see it. Look how pretty this box is. Like, why does it have to come in a box? It's pretty. You could have just wrapped it in bubble wrap for me and I would have been like, cool. So cool. Okay. I expect when I open this for it to like do that like glowing, shining thing like it does in the movies. Oh, it's like cushy. How pretty is that? So cool. So it's all squishy inside to protect it. Oh, that's so pretty. I've seen one of these in person, but it's pretty insane to be like, yep, it's mine. That's so cool. Look how pretty this is. So the winner gets like a larger one of these. I never knew until recently, that the nominees get one too. How cute is this? I'm trying to find my camera. Look how pretty that is. It's got all those beautiful colors in there. I'm so excited. So just saying, you guys rock my world. And this was extremely unexpected. I'm extremely thankful for everything that you guys do for me. And out of my love for you, I love being in this with you. And I'm so thankful for just the opportunity that my customers give me to have a job like this, and my team gives me to have a job like this. And just thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for thinking of me. And have an awesome day. I'm going to go find a really, really pretty special place to put this. But it's going to go back in the box for now because I'm going to break it. Love you guys. Bye.